Hey, hi, friends. Welcome back to Bahua Automation Lab once again. And let's continue this session related to the extended report. In the previous session, we have learned how to set the system infos in our HTML report. For example, if I open this report now in the browser, we can see here we have like which URL we have open, what action we have taken. Everything is logged in this info under info section. And here we have expected an actual result, right? And if you go to the dashboard, we can see this system related information and values as well, right? So now in this session, let's understand how to add some like HTML tags in your logs and your pass fail criteria so that it will look more attractive to the clients. For example, if I see here, it's a directly plain text is displaying here, like clicked on the home page, registered link, username entered as a username, and this is the password entered as password, and this click on the login button. Everything is showing like in the plain text, right? So how to add some HTML tags here? If you have a little basic knowledge of the HTML tags, you can add that in this log section as well, and it will look more attractive, this report. Okay, so how to do that? Let's try with a practical example. In this test.info, we have log like URL open in browser. This is the our website URL which is open in our browser. This is log, right? So how to add some HTML tags? If you have a basic idea about HTML tag, you can simply add the HTML tag like this, like simple, like B, and it's used for to bold the text, right? For example, here if I add like a slash and let's say B close, right? Okay, and if I run this program right now, we can see the changes in our report. Okay, so previously report showing like this, right? Once this execution is done, you can see this sentence should be in bold. Okay, should be shown in bold. For example, once this run, okay, so we are on the registered and we are login successful, right? So our test is passed. Let's see the report, refresh this one. So here is the plain text showing right now. We have added some bold text, so it's showing now in the bold, right? So it's look more attractive right now, right? So how to add more like a colorful text and everything in our logs, so we can check that practically here. For example, we have added here B. Okay, if I want to add some color style here, so how to add that? For example, let's B start with this, and we can simple type like a style. Okay, is equal to, let's say, in single loaded comma color, and we can provide a color as a, let's say, green. Whatever color you want to provide, you can type that name only here. Okay, you can simple check that on the how to give like color names on Google as well, and you can find out that one. So let's give the color name as a green, right? Okay, and let's complete this comma. Okay, and I'll also complete this bracket as well. Let's say, yeah, this bracket as well. Now we'll just change this to like a URL open in browser. Here we'll cut this and type like this, URL open in browser. Okay, after that, let's say URL open in browser and colon, and after that, let's say let's close this B, which is we have open here. Okay, here only. Okay, we'll remove from this, right? So here we have B started and the style color set as green, and URL open in the browser we have mentioned it here, URL open in browser with say colon, right? And after that, let's set like for example, for this URL we can set the style as a color with the different color, so that it will show more attractive in the HTML report, for example. And we can, this is the link, so that we can define the tag name as I. Okay, internally, for example, I, and we can set style, let's say style, okay, is equal to, in bracket, color, and we can define as a semicolon, this complete, and this also complete, right? And simple here we can close the I. Simple. So this is the HTML syntax we have given for this our test info. For example, B as a style color is green, so it will show in the color bold green color. Okay, after that we can see the URL in this tail color. Okay, so let's run this and see what is the output right now. Okay, so currently it's only showing in the bold, right? Now once the execution is done, yes, we can just refresh this and see the color styles. You can see here how nicely look this. So this is URL open in browser and this is the URL we have opened, right? So I will show you one another example. Okay, you have to do practically these things. I will show you one more example for this, so it will look more powerful. For rest of the things, you have to do this practically. Okay, for the registered link, after that we have once we open URL, we have to click on this link. You have the registered link, right? So let's create this HTML syntax for this registered link as well. Okay, so let's create copy the style as it is. B, copying this as a green color. Okay, and we'll mention is like a clicked on here. After that, let's say clicked on and then B close. We can copy this B as well here from here. Okay, simple. Just once you define, you need to just change the colors, nothing extra, right? So next time we have to give the style color as a let's say home page registered link. We can give the another color here. So let's copy this from here, paste it here, and we can give this time color as a let's say blue or purple. Let's say define color here as a purple. Okay, you can give blue or any other color as well. Let's say purple, and let's close this eye. Simple. Okay, now when I run this program right now, let's close this browsers, TVS browsers. So it's open. So previously just this is the green bold and this is our URL. Now our execution is done. Let's say second line also should be showing the best HTML syntax. So refresh these links and you can see here, clicked on homepage registered link. Perfect. So this is how we can add some HTML tags in our extend report and create a more powerful and this report design wise also look good to send your client. Okay, so we have learned how to define the tags for this inputs like statements. Okay, information statements, you have to practice for this all remaining statements so that you can get the better idea on this. I will explain you now how to add the like HTML tags for this pass and fail conditions, because whenever our script get fail, we need to add these conditions into the red color. Okay, whenever it's pass, we need to add the green color. So here in the pass color is pass time it's defined in the green itself, but when the statement is fail, we have to type here like a fail, and we have to define this tag names for fail condition as well in the fail style. Okay, so how to define that one? I'll just simply copy this style okay, from here. Okay, and I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, just change this to the red as a color. Okay, fail is the expected result, right? So we have defined is like a fail. Okay, and simple close this B here. Okay, now for this sentence, particular sentence, okay, we'll add once like a spam style. Okay, how to define that one? So simple, here we can type like a span and define like a style is equal to, let's say we can define a color same way we have defined in the previous. Okay, so let's give the single inverted comma color, and inside that let's say define like a blue. Okay, this time we define a blue and we'll close this bracket after semi comma and single inverted comma, right? So we have defined like this. After that, let's remove this both we not required here, and we'll just close this span here. Okay, and now for the actual result, we'll start one again B style. Okay, and this time we have defined that like a red simple way. I'll just copy this from here. Start it here. Okay, and also let's close this B here. Same way we have defined for this, right? And again same way for this particular result which is coming active actually. So we define like this, copy like from here and just paste it here after B close. Okay, and so in the last we can close the span. Simple give one plus and simply close the span in bracket. Let's say span, simple type like that, close. Okay, now it's defined in the red color. Same way for the pass condition we can define as a green. Okay, for example, I'll just copy this one from here and I'll paste it here. Okay, and just type like a pass and here fail to pass and just change this color to green. Okay, and this is also green. Simple, all done. Now let's run and we see the report here. We have in the pass condition. Now we will run for pass condition only. So I'll just running it. It's pass. Let's refresh this report. Currently we have no logs here. It's showing simple like a plain text only, no logs with the color, right? So I'll just refresh it and now you can see this condition is pass. Expected result login successful is my account, and actual text result text after login successful is my account. So it's correctly showing, right? Now the same way we can define it as like read. So what we can do, we'll just change this to expected result to, we'll just remove this so it will not match and it will go to inside this else condition and execute this code. Now it should be shown in red color, right? So I'll run it because I'm changed the expected result, right? Space. Yeah, it's login and here we go. Let's refresh this one right now and here we go. It's showing in the fail red color. Fail expected result text is after login is accessible my account, but it's showing my account with space, right? So it's failing. So this is how we can add our HTML tags in our extend HTML report. You can add it, practice it more so that we can create a more powerful report like this and show send to your clients. Okay. So in this video, that's it, guys. If you have any question related to this or any doubt, you can simply comment out me. I will give the all answer related to this. Okay. So let's continue this session in the next chapter. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.